Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Beginner Guide. Let's start by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all relevant financial documents, including income statements and expense reports. Calculate your total monthly income from all sources. Next, track your current monthly expenses. Separate these expenses into fixed costs and variable costs. Fixed costs include your rent, utilities, and insurance. Variable costs encompass groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Identify areas where you can reduce discretionary spending. Create a budget spreadsheet or use a budgeting app for easier management. Set realistic financial goals for short-term and long-term savings. Consider establishing an emergency fund to cover unexpected costs. Allocate a portion of your income to savings each month. Ensure your budget reflects your lifestyle and financial objectives. Regularly review and adjust your budget as needed. Communicate openly with family or housemates about shared expenses. Utilize resources from Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate for additional financial guidance. Stay disciplined and committed to your budgeting plan. Remember, consistency is key to achieving your financial goals. Lastly, celebrate your progress along the way to stay motivated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.